This morning it was pretty cool out, so I didn't really want to start priming yet. So I started the bee cover. And I was going to make it with a slant and everything. I even cut the sides to do it. But the truth is, this is going to be enclosed anyways. So I decided I'm just going to go with straight flat top. And then I'll do what I did before, which would be to pry it up a little bit to give them a little bit more ventilation. But I could change my mind yet, but I don't think I'm going to. So during that, cutting these all the same for the top, I decided to try my little clamp here. And I really, when I was given these as a gift by a family member, and at the time I thought, well, that looks handy. But these things have turned out to be handier than I thought. So I squared this edge off, got this one just right for length, put it in here, cut it, and then clamped it. So now I can square off another one. Let's pretend this was my board. I'd square it off, flip it, match up this edge over here, and then come over here, just hold it and cut it. So that way I get them all really very, very close to identical, because you can feel with your finger here if it's nice and even. And because it's clamped, I really don't have to keep my hands on it all the time. I can be moving the board around and then come in here and just hold it like that after I even it up. So very handy, very, very handy. So it turned out it got nicer out, and now I'm outside priming. So we'll give you an updated video on that. But I'll finish this cover a bit pretty soon, and then I need to get going on new boxes because it's getting nicer out, and I lost my hive, so I'm hoping I can capture one, or hope not capture one, but make a nice home for a hive, and they'll come and make a house there and start making me honey. So it probably sounds crazy, but it actually has worked for me 2 or 3 times already. So I don't know. Let's see if I get lucky for one more time.